Hello, my name is Dan Faschingbauer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your tax documentation properly for Master Affiliate Profits. So I'm already logged into my back office of MAP. Up here in the upper right hand corner, I'll select the fourth icon to the right here called My Ledger. Select that, scroll down until you see the tax documentation section. And in my case, I'm a U.S. citizen, so it says we require a W-9. So click here, and it says please submit the appropriate tax documentation. So for number one, fill out your name exactly as it is on your tax return. Number two is if you have a business entity, put in your business name here. Number three, put in how your business is set up. And for number four over here, there's exemption codes. I don't have an exemption code for my business, so I'm going to skip step 4. Step 5, put in your street address. Step 6, put in your city, state, and zip. Number 7 is list account numbers here, optional. I'm going to skip that step also. And then part 1 here is taxpayer identification number, TIN. So if you're a sole proprietor, you can just put in your social security number. If you have a business set up, then put in your business employee identification number or EIN number. And then it says over here that if you put in your social security number, that will be encrypted so nobody can see it, but the EINs are public information, therefore they are not encrypted. Continue on down to the certification section. So sign with your mouse. The signature area is kind of funky. It's really hard to get it to come out decent with the mouse. Do the best you can. The date should be defaulted to today's date. Click here. I confirm that my declared and signed tax information is accurate, complete, and truthful. Then click on Save and close my tax documentation. It said form submitted successfully. So now if I refresh this page and scroll down to tax documentation and click here again, you should see your W-9 all filled out and saved. All right, so that concludes this video on how to create your tax documentation information for Master Affiliate Profits. I hope you found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.